Well-known historian by the name of Doris Godwin studied Abraham Lincoln, who was then a lawyer and also a known storyteller. And that is why villagers from far and nearby locations came to listen to him, because he connected with his audience by telling stories. Our brain is tuned to listening to stories, as we have done right through from our childhood. Would you like to take the delivery of your presentation to the next level? Hi, I'm Narrate Shivani, a career growth specialist, and I train and mentor working professionals, mainly first-time managers, to speak confidently and present with impact to elevate their career success. In this video, I share 5 tricks or tips as to how great presenters present their presentations differently. Number 1. Narrate stories. Corporate presentations are in fixed templates, have a lot of data, and as a result, they do not connect with the audience at all. No sooner we connect data with stories, the message connects with the audience. The audience is able to relate to the stories and also know what kind of data is connected with that. Therefore, use a lot of stories and narrate them along with data. Number 2, less words, more images. Florence Nightingale, a well-known nurse at that point in time, found that many soldiers in the British Army were dying not because of battle wounds, but more because of unhygienic conditions in the hospitals. And therefore, in order to get funds from the British Parliament, she converted the dry data with color codes and put them in statistics, so that the message was very clear to the parliamentarians that the funds were really required for the British soldiers. And therefore, more images were used to capture the message in the minds of the audience. Number 3, humanized data. Corporate presentations are absolutely dry. They only have colors, but the data is just data and nothing else. Can we really remember and connect that data as such? Therefore, we need to humanize that data by adding a lot of content relating to stories. When you connect the data with stories, magic happens, and that gives a human touch to the data, which is really understood by the audience, and it stays in the mind of the audience for a little longer time. Number 4, bring a surprise element. When Steve Jobs was launching the iPod, he said, 1,000 songs in your pocket. There was some novelty in what he brought to the presentation stage. And what really connected with the audience was that novelty. What was that thing which contained 1,000 songs and it could be put in the pocket? And as he took it out, the audience was really surprised with that novelty, the novel thing that he brought to the audience. Therefore, when you are presenting, bring novelty to the audience, because then the audience is paying attention and is very curious to know what you're bringing out in your presentation. Number 5, rehearse your presentations more and more. Corporate presenters practice their presentations silently, but great presenters practice their presentations aloud. And when they do that, it not only connects to their mind, but it also connects to their heart. And that's how they make their presentations brilliant, stronger, impactful, and the message goes into the audience. If you liked this video and you resonate with the contents of this video, I would request you to download a free resource guide, which I have added as a link in the comment section of the video, where you can really benefit so that you can take your presentation to the next level. Also, if you resonate with this video and would like to improve your presentation delivery skills, then I have added a link so that you can connect with me on a one-to-one basis, and I would consult with you on a discovery call so that I can understand your issues in a better way and help you to be more impactful as a presenter. Thank you.